Okay.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh? And may I know where from?
I'm from Indonesia.
You're from Indonesia. Oh, so nice, amazing. So you are looking so beautiful. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Oh, so sad. My favorite color is
Daerah
red.
mana
My,
manis orangnya?
my favorite color is red.
I like black color.
No, we are not
Oh,
same.
right. So
All, all,
strong.
already you can
In the same
see.
line.
Already you can see my favorite color is red. My background is red, and this is red, and this side is red. And can you guess my old?
Oh, I think you are 25.
Oh, so sad.
What? কান্দিস না।
No, no. I'm 16 years old.
Oh, 60.
Yeah, 16.
16.
16.
16.
Yeah,
So young.
yeah, of course.
Then what's your name?
My name is Ruman Ahmed.
Your name is Ruman?
Yeah, of course. My name is Ruman Ahmed.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And may I know what's your name?
You can well call me well.
What should I call you?
You can call me well.
Well, oh, difficult name your. Do you like travel? Do you have any boyfriend?
I don't have boyfriend. But I
Looking so beautiful and.
don't. Oh, can you guess my how old are you? Are me?
Okay,
How
okay.
is my age?
Okay, no problem. I think.
Guess.
I think 22.
Guess.
I think 22.
No.
Oh my god. আরে
So please tell me. Would you tell me your old?
25.
Oh, 25.
25.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
That's good. And how about you? How are you?
Oh, fine.
Oh,
Oh, I know about the Bangladesh food. I think that is a nasi biryani. Is
yeah,
Bangladesh?
biryani.
So no, I don't know biryani.